Hello, hello, hello. Well, before I start with my speech, I would like to thank our mentor and Mr. Rubin Singh. That's not you. Our mentor, Shri Shri Johnny Nendra Sina Bali, 1001 Johnny Sinchi. Look at his mischievous smile, you little rascals. Everybody recognize him because he's best at whatever he does. People are smiling. Everybody has seen that thing. Okay. So, good evening, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Myself, Vivek. Greeting and salutation to all. Well, today I won't ask, how are you? I'll ask, who are you? No. Just remove that name, occupation, race, gender, nationality from your designation and tell us, who are you? Seriously, can I tell? No. I knew that you know that. That's why I didn't ask you. Well, how many of us are here who are fascinated by this universe? No one. Seriously? Yes. Okay. Well, I have been fascinated by this universe when I was a kid. I always wanted to marry a female alien. Well, I went to her and asked for a proposal, but she said that we belong to different castes and we can't marry casteist aliens. Well, if I talk about universe, then I don't think that we are just a part of this universe. We are the universe because we all are formed from this universe when life happened on this earth for the first time, some 4.5 billion years ago. And that's how we still carry those traces. When universe is capable of creating so beautiful planet, then why can't you? Why can't I? Everybody have that power, everybody have that energy, its beauty, that magnificent universe within us, and they are capable of doing everything, whatever they want to do in their life. As I remember a quote by my, if I can say, influencer, the Jim Carrey said that life doesn't happen to you, it happens for you. And I completely agree with him because I've felt that thing within myself that since I was a kid, I couldn't find myself getting fitted within this box that we are still trying to, cope up to come outside. And I've seen that most people just take birth, live, they live to earn money, they earn money to eat, and then eventually they'll die. If you are earning money just to live, you are living to eat, and then you will die, then die today instead of 50 years later on, because that will save your hard work, and that's how our case is solved. And I remember an American doctor, Ken Jeong, the famous guy from the Hangover movie. He's a doctor, and he realized that he's good at acting at the age of 39, and he started with that thing. Then why can't we? And to the parents, I really want to say that please help your kids so that they won't find those kind of anxiety and depression within themselves. As they grew up, they find difficulty, cope up with this materialistic world. Once a reporter asked to a famous singer from Jamaica, Bob Marley, that do you consider yourself rich? How much money do you have? Do you have a lot of possession? To which he said, well, I don't consider myself that kind of rich. My richness is my life. And once a famous personality from America, from United States of America, said that I want everybody to be rich and famous so that they can realize that it's not the end of life. It's not everything. So that they can realize that there is beyond, and they have wasted their whole life while running behind just money and wealth when they could have done a lot of things. And if you really want to know about life, then please talk to some older people, because they will tell you about life. I've seen some regrets in their eyes, that with a common statement that wish I could have lived my life as I wanted to. Wish I could have always done what I always wanted to do. And that's how I could have lived in some true sense, true meaning of our life. The purpose of life is just to let each other know that we are here. I'm here for you, you are here for me. When I fell down, then I have someone that you can catch me up, or I'll catch you up if you fall down. And I'll conclude with my speech with a statement, with a quote that really touched my heart. That my soul is not contained within the limit of my body. My body is contained within the limitlessness of my soul. And thank you for being such a generous audience and for tolerating me for more than 4 minutes. Seriously. Until then, keep asking to yourself, who are you? Thank you.